Hey guys, you're in for a treat today. On today's episode of Mondays with Mario, I'll be going over the topic, what's a home equity line of credit? A home equity line of credit, also known as a HELOC, is a second mortgage that gives you access to cash based on the value of your home. You can draw from the home equity line of credit and repay some or all of it back monthly, somewhat like a credit card. With the HELOC, you borrow against your equity, which is the home's value minus the amount you owe on the primary mortgage. So this means that you have plenty of equity in your home in order to be eligible for a HELOC. Typically, a HELOC lets you borrow up to about 85% of the home's value minus the amount you owe on the loan. Also, you could lose your home on foreclosure if you don't make the payments because you're using your home as collateral. So reasons homeowners use their home equity line of credit are for major repairs, remodeling projects that increase the value of your home. And my two favorite uses of a HELOC are as follows. One, to use the line of credit to purchase rental properties or the down payment on a rental. And two is to use the line of credit to pay down your mortgage, increase your equity, and expedite the amount of years you owe on your mortgage loan. If you would like to learn more about these strategies, definitely give me a shout. Honestly, these strategies will blow your mind as they did mine when I first learned about it. I have a question. Do you know the difference between a line of credit and an amortization schedule? If you're interested, we can discuss this topic in an upcoming show. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode on home equity line of credit. Did we discuss anything on today's episode that you didn't already know? If so, let me know by dropping your answer down in the comment section. Catch you guys on next week's episode.